Hi, let me introduce myself. My name is Rismawanti. I am from IB 12.
Yes, there are many who sell food from various countries, such as Sundanese food, Japanese food, or even food from other countries, such as Korea or Japan. Not very often, maybe once or twice a month, usually when I go out with friends. Yes, I tried cooking spaghetti once. It was simple but fun. I would recommend rendang because it's very tasty and famous worldwide. Law that bans smoking in public places in Indonesia. This law was introduced by the government a few years ago to protect people from the dangers of secondhand smoke. It was first implemented in big cities like Jakarta and later in another regions. I think this law is a very good idea because before it was introduced, it was common to see people smoking everywhere in restaurants, in public transportation, even in school. It was very uncomfortable for non smokers, especially children. Since the law was introduced, many public areas have become smoke free, and this has improved the air quality and people's health. It also encourages smokers to reduce their habit or at least respect others around them. In my opinion, this law is important because it shows that the government cares about public health. It also helps to build awareness that smoking is not only a personal habit but also something that affects the community. That is why I think it was such a good idea. Common rules include wearing a uniform, arriving on time, respecting teacher, and not using mobile phones during class. Some schools also have rules about hairstyle and keeping the classroom clean. I think rules are very important because that they discipline and responsibility. Without rules, students may behave badly, and it would be difficult for teachers to manage the class. Rules also prepare students for the real world where regulation must be followed. I believe the punishment should be fair and educational, not too harsh. For example, if a student comes late, they may be asked to write an apology or do extra text. The goal should be to teach them the lesson, not just to punish. Many students choose law because it is considered a prestigious career. It also offers many opportunities, such as becoming a lawyer, a judge, or working in government. Some students are motivated by the idea of fighting for justice and helping people. Yes, agree. Lawyers often work long hours, face high pressure, and carry a big responsibility for their clients. However, I think if someone is passionate about the job, the stress can be managed and the work can still be rewarding.